daily practice for English.
This dog food is very heavy.
Yes, 20 kilos is a lot.
He eats so much every day.
He is a growing puppy.
Can we look at accessory selection now?
Yes, let's pick a new collar.
Should we get a blue collar?
I like this red collar better.
Okay, the red accessory looks nice.
Look at this big blue bed.
That bed looks very soft.
He will love sleeping there.
It costs $24.
That is a good price.
Let's put it in the shopping cart.
Can we get some toys too?
Sure, he likes tennis balls.
I see a yellow ball here.
Grab 2 of them, please.
Got them. What about treats?
We need treats for his training.
These chicken bites look good.
Let's buy 2 bags.
He is a lucky dog.
He makes our home happy.
I agree. He is very sweet.
Is the cart full now?
Yes, we have everything.
Let's go to the cash register.
I will pay for the bed.
Thank you, Lisa.
You paid for the heavy food.
My arms are tired.
You are very strong, Mark.
Let's go home and see him.
I can't wait to give him toys.
He will wag his tail.
Yes, he will be very happy.
Sit, buddy. Good boy.
Wow, he listened to you.
The treats from the store work well.
He really likes that chicken flavor.
I want to teach him more tricks.
We can teach him to shake hands.
Yes. Let's try it now.
Hold the treat in your hand.
Pa, please. He did it.
He is very smart.
Should we teach him in Spanish too?
Like at our language exchange meeting?
Yes. We met at the language exchange meeting.
That was a fun day.
You helped me with my Spanish.
And you helped me with English.
Now we can teach the dog.
Let's say sienta for sit.
Sienta, boy. Good job.
He understands 2 languages now.
He is a bilingual puppy.
We should practice every day.
I will give him 1 more treat.
Don't give him too many.
Okay, this is the last one.
He is looking for more.
He has a big appetite.
He needs a nap now.
Look, he is going to his new bed.
The blue bed we bought.
He loves it so much.
It is very soft for him.
Our training session is done.
You are a good teacher, Mark.
Thank you, Lisa.
Let's go to the kitchen now.
Good idea. I am hungry too.
Let's cook some dinner.
The pasta sauce smells so good.
I added extra tomatoes.
You are a great cook, Lisa.
Smiles.
Okay.
Thank you.
Should we eat soon?
Stir the pot, please.
You love food photography.
Yes, but let's take a picture first.
Can I be in the photo?
I want to post it online.
Like this? Say cheese.
Yes, hold the spoon up.
Do you use a special app?
Perfect.
The red tomatoes look amazing now.
Now let me do some photography editing.
You have a good eye for art.
Yes, I make the colors brighter.
Here, try a little bit.
The editing makes it look professional.
I will pass the salt shaker.
Thanks. Now let's taste the pasta.
Are the noodles ready?
It needs a little more salt.
Let's put them on the plates.
Just a pinch is enough.
This looks like a restaurant meal.
Yes, they are soft now.
I will pour us some water.
I will pour the sauce over them.
Wow,
It is much cheaper though.
this is very delicious.
Thank you. Let's eat at the table.
I could eat this every day.
I am glad you like it.
That sounds like a great plan.
We can make pizza next time.
I will eat every last bite.
Clean your plate, Mark. Now it is time for a movie.
I made a big bowl of popcorn.
Yum! Bring it to the couch.
It has extra butter on it.
That is my favorite kind.
What movie are we watching tonight?
It is a musical about a singer.
Oh, a movie with a lot of songs?
Yes, I am joining a choir soon.
Really? That is wonderful news.
I want to practice my singing.
You have a beautiful voice, Lisa.
Thank you. The choir sings on Sundays.
I will come listen to you sing.
Haha, please do. It will be fun.
Look, the movie is starting.
Turn off the big light, please.
Okay, the room is dark now.
Pass me the popcorn, Mark.
Here you go. Don't eat it all.
I will share with you.
The music in this film is great.
I know this song. I will sing along.
You sound just like the actress.
You are too nice.
My drink is almost empty.
I have a soda right here.
Thanks. The couch is very cozy.
Yes, the blanket is warm.
I love relaxing like this.
Me too, after a busy day.
The movie is almost over.
The ending is very happy.
That was a good choice, Lisa.
Next time, you pick the movie.
It is getting late now.
Yes, we should go to bed.
Let's turn off the TV.
I will wash the popcorn bowl.
It is almost 11 o'clock.
I am setting the alarm clock now.
What time do we wake up tomorrow?
We must wake up at 7.
Why so early on a Saturday?
We have the lease signing process.
Oh, right. The new apartment.
I am very excited to move.
Me too. The new place is big.
Did you bring the paper contract?
Yes, it is on the desk.
We need to read it carefully.
I read it today. It looks fine.
Good. We sign it in the morning.
Are you reading a storybook?
Yes, just a short story to relax.
It has a nice cover.
It is a book about adventures.
We will have our own adventure soon.
Moving to a new home is fun.
We have to pack many boxes.
We can start packing on Sunday.
I am tired just thinking about it.
We will do it together.
You are right. Teamwork is best.
Let's get some sleep now.
I will turn off the lamp.
Make sure your alarm is on.
It is set for 7 sharp.
Good night, Mark. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Lisa. Sleep well.
Don't forget the lease papers tomorrow.
I will put them in my bag.
Thank you. See you in the morning.
Yes, tomorrow is a big day.
Yawns. It sure is.
Close your eyes now.
Okay, good night again.
Good morning. Oh no, look at the sink.
What is wrong with the kitchen sink?
The water is not going down.
Is it clogged again?
Yes, I think I know why.
Did you do your shaving and grooming here?
I trimmed my beard this morning.
Mark, you must use the bathroom sink.
I am sorry. The mirror here is better.
Now we have a big problem.
Don't worry. I have Drainmaster.
What is that orange bottle?
It is a liquid clog buster.
Will it fix the pipes?
Yes, we just pour it in.
Okay, let's try it together.
Pouring it now. Look at the water.
It is making a funny sound.
It is melting the hair away.
I see a little whirlpool forming.
The water is going down fast.
Wow, it really works well.
Drainmaster is a hero today.
You are lucky it worked, Mark.
I promised to shave in the bathroom.
Thank you. Please clean the counter too.
I will wipe it with a towel.
We should wash these dishes now.
I will wash. You can dry.
That is a fair deal.
The sink is perfectly clean now.
It smells like lemons too.
Are we ready to leave for the rental shop?
Yes, let's go rent the car.
We have a busy weekend ahead.
Let's grab our jackets and go.
I am right behind you.
Don't forget the apartment keys.
Hello. We are here to pick up a car.
Hi, we have a reservation under Lisa.
Your name tag says Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Let me give Sarah our ID.
We need a car for the weekend.
We are driving to a luxury hotel.
Yes, we booked a nice hotel and accommodation.
It is right next to the beach.
Sarah is handing us the keys now.
Thank you. Which car is ours?
It is the blue sedan outside.
Does it have good air conditioning?
Yes, it is a brand new car.
I love the new car smell.
Let's put our bags in the trunk.
Did you bring the camera for the beach?
Yes, it is in my green backpack.
Great. The drive is 2 hours long.
I can drive the first hour.
And I will drive the second hour.
I am excited for the hotel pool.
I want to eat the hotel breakfast.
The breakfast buffet is the best.
I hope they have pancakes.
Let's get on the highway now.
The weather is perfect for a drive.
The sun is shining bright today.
Play some music on the radio, please.
Here is a nice pop song.
I am so happy we took this trip.
It is a good break from moving boxes.
We deserve a little holiday.
I see the ocean over there.
We are almost at the hotel.
Let's park the car here.
I will take my bag, you take yours.
Time to check in at the desk.
I can't wait to see our room.
The sand here is very soft.
The beach is beautiful today.
Let's build a huge sandcastle.
I brought a yellow bucket and tools.
I will fill the bucket with wet sand.
We need wet sand so it sticks.
What shape should we make it?
Let's build the famous cultural center.
You mean the one we visited last month?
Yes, visiting that cultural center was fun.
It had a very tall tower.
We can make a tower with this cup.
Okay, turn the cup upside down.
Wow, it looks perfect.
Now, let's make the front door.
I will draw windows with this stick.
Our sandcastle is looking great.
We are very good builders, Mark.
The ocean water is coming close.
I hope it doesn't wash our castle away.
We will dig a little river around it.
Smart idea. The water will go in the river.
The sun is very warm right now.
Remember to wear your sunglasses.
Look at those seagulls flying.
They want our snacks, I think.
I am not sharing my chips.
Let's take a photo of the castle.
Say cheese by the cultural center.
Cheese. That is a great photo.
Should we go swim in the water now?
Yes, the water looks very cool.
Race you to the waves, Lisa.
You can't beat me, Mark.
Watch out for the big wave.
That was so refreshing.
This beach day is perfect.
I don't want to go home.
Monday morning back at the office.
We have a lot of work today.
But first, we must plan the retirement party.
Yes, for our boss, Mr. Smith.
I brought these blue and yellow balloons.
They match the happy retirement banner.
I can't believe he is retiring.
He is having a big moving day experience.
Oh? Where is he moving to?
He is moving to a farm in Texas.
That sounds very peaceful.
I have the party checklist on my clipboard.
Did we order the chocolate cake?
Yes, it arrives at noon today.
What about the music playlist?
I made a list of his favorite songs.
You are very organized, Lisa.
We want his last day to be special.
Let's tape the banner to the glass.
Hold the left side up higher.
Is this good?
Perfect! It looks very festive.
How many guests are coming?
Everyone in the office is coming.
About 30 people then.
We need more chairs in the break room.
I will bring some from the meeting room.
Thank you, Mark. You are a big help.
We make a good team.
Just like at the beach.
This weekend was really amazing.
It was a perfect mix of work and fun.
Now let's celebrate Mr. Smith.
I will call everyone into the room.
I am ready with the balloons.
Surprise! Happy retirement!
We will miss you, Mr. Smith.
Have a great time in Texas.